What is happening, guys? Just finished unboxing my Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus. Ordered that straight from Samsung itself, pre-ordered, just arrived today. Well, I don't know when you're watching this, but with it I got one of Samsung's official cases. I got the S26 Plus Silicone Magnet Case. So let's unbox it, just take a look at it real quick. I got it in gray. I know, a little bit boring. The shadow silver phone, the gray. It also looks pretty nice and minimalist. I wasn't super crazy about any of the other colors. I was mentioning that the cobalt violet, I saw it in person. It was nice, but I felt like the metal frames were just a little too purple. They don't, you know, shine over to blue a little bit in different lighting like the back does. But here we have the silicone case for this. You get, of course, wireless charging with it, increased speed in the wireless charging if you have an appropriate charger for it. This looks like all the other case boxes from Samsung over the years. It tells you what kind of case it is there on the side, a picture of the case on the front, etc., etc. I don't think you're too interested in that. Got some booklets in here. Throw that off to the side. And here we have the silicone case. Very interesting branding here. The Samsung branding on the bottom is very blurry. I guess partly to do with the lighting, because it sort of casts a shadow effect. There are two layers here to this material. So the one beneath it is casting a shadow of the one above it. So the Samsung branding looks blurry in brighter lights and will look a little bit less blurry in shadows. I'm not sure how well you can see that on camera, so that's a little bit interesting. And the camera, the wireless charging ring here protrudes a little bit. It is not flush with the case. You can't really see it if I turn it over on the side, but you can feel it, that it is slightly, ever so slightly raised above the case itself. On the inside, it says designed by Samsung, made in Vietnam. And you've got a little sticker here with a QR code. And it is kind of a little bit of a rougher material on the back, and on the sides it feels like it's a plastic frame for this as well. So the silicone kind of wraps around the body of the case itself, but on the inside it's I believe it's plastic. At the top you have cutouts for the mics. On the bottom, cutouts for your speaker grill, microphone, and USB-C cutout. So let's see how this fits. Very easy to get on. Slight little clicking sound lets you know it's on there securely, and it's a really nice match here. You see on the back the silver shadow color of the phone, as well as the case itself and how that contrasts. It's a nice like cloud sort of gray, I guess. It feels like it's a lighter color, the case is, than the back of the phone itself. I'm probably not gonna use a case a lot of the time, so didn't want to get a whole bunch of cases. Taking another look at the bottom of how those cutouts look. Precise, perfect. On the top, same thing. You have a raised lip here. No problems dropping it down. Of course, I'm not going to do it from too many feet up, but the grip is pretty good. Might be slightly less than past silicone cases, and to be honest, I felt like those are way too grippy, annoying to take out of your jeans pockets. I like the amount of grip on this. Of course, you've got your MagSafe here. Back of the phone, you've got a raised lip around the camera housing as well, so some protection there. All in all, really good for your basic protection needs. It's not a heavy duty case, but there are also cases that are not going to protect quite as well. Cut out there for your flash is great too. The buttons, nice and clicky. Volume rocker, perfect. All right, guys, and checking wireless charging right quick. Put it on the wireless charger, and you see right up there, you probably heard the sound as well. Wireless charging, no probs on this Samsung magnetic silicone case. All right, so as far as I'm concerned, the most real-world scenario for MagSafe for me is this car stand, this magnetic car stand that I use. Don't use a whole bunch of magnetic chargers at home. So let's test out MagSafe on this Samsung magnetic silicone case for the S26 Plus. Put it right on there, and it looks pretty sturdy. It is pretty sturdy. No problems at all with the magnets. So strong magnets on this right here. Definitely a go as far as the magnets are concerned, along with everything else I've shown you on this case. All right, guys, so that's it. The silicone magnet case from Samsung for your Galaxy S26 Plus. Of course, it's also available for the S26 and the S26 Ultra. More S26 Plus coverage on the way. Get subscribed if you want to know when those videos drop. In the meantime, any questions, let me know in the comments section. I'll also leave links to where you can pick some of this stuff up, and I'll catch you in the next one.